In this video, I really want to clear out this raised bed here because it's not getting the best use. It's got some foxgloves and some verbascums in here, and I think a self-seeded peony or something. And so I'm gonna, and it's also too low. The soil level is too low. So I am going to remove the foxgloves and the verbascum and place them in my borders, and then I'm going to raise the level of the soil, and then I'll have a clean slate for planting in tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm really looking forward, because today it was quite hard work, you know, just lumping things about, digging lots of holes, etc. I had to go and get more compost because I didn't have enough. So let's get on with it anyway and see how we get on. All right, so I've prepared this bed, widened it a bit. I will use the turf like I did in my other video to patch up. Are you okay? To patch up these pathways. So anyway, let's empty out that raised bed and put some more foxgloves. And then I'm going to put some verbascum. I'm going to widen this one here and put some, actually I might put the verbascum weaving down because they're nice tall spires around here, but I still need to widen this anyway. But let's do the foxgloves first. Let's start with these. I'm going to plant them up because they don't look happy already. They look like they're wilting. Planting them up is not rocket science. I'd already enriched the soil anyway, so it was super easy and fast. And just plant them at the depth you dug them up from. Alright, that was the first bed, and this is the second bed. So I'm going to put some of the verbascum here, and then also along here. And I may extend the bed again where I want it to widen both sides up here, but I don't think I need to today, because I think I've got enough space to put the verbascum in existing spots. So I'm going to weave them in, but I'm going to plant them quite close together because they have, although the foliage is quite wide growing, the spires are very narrow. So to create a kind of impactful effect, you do actually need to either pack them close together or sort of weave them so that they'll come up through things, which is, I think, probably preferable actually. So we'll see how we get on. So these are the verbascums. You can see they're not doing great here because I just had too many slugs here. Where I had the chicken wire over, birds couldn't get in and manage the slug population, which I didn't realise. Actually, I was thinking, why am I getting slugs again? But also it's just been so wet as well, there is that. So you can see they're quite shallow rooted. So I'm just going to take a few of these each time, try not to damage them. That one I can feel is still anchored quite low down, so get the fork underneath it as much as you can. And then it's got quite a good root, that one. Well, they might not all take, they might not like being moved, but I think this bed is currently wasted with just these few plants in here. So these are all of the verbascum. They're not all of them actually, because I had loads and I've been weaving them so that they're more low grown. So that's a foxglove there, and then this flatter one here is a verbascum. Same here. So That's a foxglove, and that's a verbascum. You can see they've been eaten by slugs. So hopefully now that they're out here, they will recover. I've planted some more here, here. Some of them might die, but I do have a lot here and here and over here. I already had some which are establishing really nicely here, and I've been thinning out these nigella as well, not wasting them, thinning them out and transplanting those over here. More here and a few more here. Not the greatest specimens, but you know, why not give them a chance? And now I'm going to water them all in. So I'm going to top this up with some horse manure, which is 50p a bag. Well, if you've got horses, which my kids have, technically free. Topsoil, this 3 packets was £14, and then some compost, which is about £20. So hopefully, maybe I'll have some spare. But I don't think so. This is still a really deep bed. And the problem was I put these sticks underneath, and of course they're not rotting down, and they're leaving gaps. So let's top this up. One sec. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to put the wire back over to protect it, and then I'm going to plant in it tomorrow, because I need to have a think, because I don't want anything to grow too tall to block my beds inside my greenhouse where I'm going to be growing my tomatoes, aubergines and everything once the snapdragons are over. So I'll have to think what I can plant here. And I think also because I put the manure in, I'm not really sure I want to grow crops. I need a couple of years maybe to pass before, and for it to break down before I plant food crops in here. So I think I'll stick to the food crops in there where I have a more controlled environment, and I'll plant some more cut flowers out here. All that's left for me to do today, which I'm going to do now, and I'm not going to film it because I need to crack on, is plant this turf up, this dug turf that I took out the borders, plant along the pathways here, and that's it. And if you want to see how I did that, I mean, I just did that in my previous video, and really it's not rocket science. Just loosen the soil. I enriched it with my own homemade compost, put a bit of sand in, and then just to increase the drainage because it's so compacted from walking on. And then I just plant the turf, and hopefully it will knit together and fix these pathways that just got absolutely ruined in the winter with all the rain and digging that I was doing. It's officially protected from pets. What shall I plant in here tomorrow? At least tomorrow's going to be a good day. Cannot wait. Clean slate. New canvas. Yum yum. So if you like that video today, don't forget to subscribe. Oops. And I'll see you in the next video after I planted up this grass. Thanks for watching. Bye.